What is going on, everybody? I am Win from an AK the Fire Truck Gamer, and welcome to Jelly Truck. So this is a game about a small red truck that's made out of jelly. That's weird, though. It sounds like that truck is stuck. Truck, get up! Okay, let's see, Alright, let's play. Level 1. Okay, no, let's try. Oh, I just did a wheelie. Let's see, oh, yep, bounce up around these. Oh! Almost crashed. One time on this first level, I got my front wheel stuck. Ow. Get up, get up. Okay. Going up this thing. Oh, I can't move. Whoa. Actually, you can steer on this game. Made it. One defeat. Good, thank God I didn't lost my wheel. This one, the Jelly Truck music begins to play. Alright. More driving. What the? I can't get up. Get up. Yeah. Whoop. I can't. Oh. Yeah. Yep. What the? I can't steer this thing. Man, I'm doing. Oh. I lost both of my wheels. I lost both my wheels. Oh yeah, elevator. Well, that doesn't. Get up. Oh. Sorry, Mr. Truck. Come on, truck. Come on. Don't be stupid, truck. Come on, truck. Yeah, I can't move. I can't see him. Come on. Oh, I just have to wait. Because I don't want to get squished. And I just did. Alright. I lost both of my wheels. What is wrong with this game? I lost both of my wheels on this game, mostly. Let's see. Okay, we're going up. Come on, Mr. Truck. Don't fail me, truck. If you do, I'm gonna be angry. Thank God. Come on. Just right this second I got squashed. Something is wrong with this truck. Come on, truck. Stupid truck. Get up there, truck. Oh, stupid truck. Truck! Come on, truck. There you go, truck. Don't fail me, truck. And we're off. Oh, wait, I forgot about this part. Yep. Ow. That's so weird when that truck. Oh. Ow. That's stupid. Let's just go to the third level. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Back up. Let's see. Something is wrong. Ow! I got slammed onto the cab. Come on, truck. Make out this heel. Hit. Getting hit by these things. What are these things? Come on, truck! Get up there! You can do this, truck! Truck! Come on, truck! You're almost there! No! You can do this, truck! Push it on! You made it! Wait. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry, truck. I can't move! No! No, I lost my wheels! all the part of my truck is gone. I'm just gonna choose a level. Level 4. What type of a truck is this? That is one weird truck. I just don't know what type of truck this is. But that is one weird truck. Oh. Come on, truck. What the? Ah. Whoa. Whoa. I bounced off. Get up. Come on, truck. Whoa. Well. That doesn't help. Ugh. I almost fell off. Oh, what's this thing? Oh, it's a ball. I can't move my truck. This is the ball. Barely made it. I barely made my truck through. What level is this for this truck? What the? Truck? Back up, truck. There you go, truck. Ow. Come on, truck. Get your wheels off of that thing. Oh, I slammed that thing like a bowling pin. Truck, get up there. There. What the? Ow. Yes. Mamma mia. Alright, level 6 for this truck. Oh, I'm a tractor trailer. I'm carrying a trailer. Yes, sir. Don't fall. Darn it, I lost my wheels. Yeah, that's my favorite truck. Get up, truck. Stupid block. Get up, truck. Ow! That thing hit my back wheel. I can't move that thing. Stupid truck. Oh, yeah, barrel. No, I fell off the steps. All right, here we go. What's on next? No, well, it's technically a truck, but it's different though. Different in size. What the? No, I have to go up against another truck. Come and get me, truck. Well, technically I am a truck too, so. Ow! I got hit by another truck. No, this one, I just only have to push the ball to the finish line with the truck. Well, I bounced off the ball. I mean, that'll be fine. That'll be fine, I guess. Get up, truck. Get up. Let's go, truck. Get up. No, I lost my wheels. Alright, let's go, truck. What is this place? Oh. Ow! I got hit by a hammer. Oh, no, my tire's stuck. No, my wheel. I can't get my wheels unstuck. How? My wheel's stuck. I can't get my wheel. Oh, sorry for that pause. My truck's wheel was stuck. That's so weird. My truck's wheel was stuck. Yeah, that part was long level 10. Let's go, Mr. Truck. See ya. Wait a minute. Where's my truck? No, my wheels! I lost both of my wheels. Let's go, truck. Don't fail me. If you do, I'm gonna be Oh, I'll try not to get my wheel stuck. Yes. Alright. Going up the elevator with the truck. Oh, get up, truck. Get up. Okay, we're going backwards. So weird. No, I lost both of my wheels. Don't fail me, truck. Don't fail me again. No, I can't get up. Let me down in the comments below if you really want to see more Jelly Truck. Let's back up the truck. Oh, wait a minute. Whoa! I just went zoom past the